right, guys, coming out of Hemet, California. Woo! Woo! Little lake. I don't think it's as little as you think it is. Alright, small update right now. It is 8:15. The doors open here at 7 o'clock. We got out here about 7:30ish. Set up some jigs, did a little jig fishing, and right now I put a couple power bait in the water to see if we can catch some fish with power bait. Right now, it just seems like everybody's catching with power bait. So that's what we're hoping to catch them with. And they have some monsters in here, guys. They're probably around 3 to 5 pounds. That's pretty good size for a lake this size. I mean, look at this, guys. This is all there is right here. If you can see this, that's pretty much it for a little lake. And they got some beasts in here, so this would be a pretty good place to catch your PB here. Oh yeah, so let's keep fishing. I'll keep you updated. George on, look at this. Right here at Little Lake. Just bringing them in. All right. There it is. Look at that puppy. Look at that. Look at the size of that thing. Holy cow. Wow.
I got a bunch more of that corn bait if you need some.
Nice. Well, he's on the charts, guys. George is on the chart. Hey, give a shout out, bro.
Get it. What's going on?
This is the how you get workout in 2022, ladies and gentlemen. This is the excellent workout here. Look at this. Look at this. Bring him up. Bring him up. There he is.
Hi.
He's up.
There we go.
He's up. Look, he's so big he can't even fit in that net. Look at that.
Oh, and I trip again.
You know there's a decline. Don't take anything
Oh, I know.
out.
I know there.
Yeah.
I have seen that before. That's why.
Oh yeah. Look at this. Look at that. What a beautiful fish.
That's probably about 4.5.
Oh yeah. Gorgeous fish. All right, here we go, guys. Fish on. Let's see if I can get him around the down. Just take him right off.
Oh, he got you. I see the tubies moving right there. Oh yeah, he got out. Looks like. Yeah, he's out. Which one did you get that one on? Which bait?
This is I got the cheese.
Oh, the cheese one. Yeah. Good.
Oh, here he comes over here.
Oh, you got caught.
Good. Yeah. Oh, careful. All right. All right, guys. First fish of the day over here at Little Lake. I got my buddy George here helping me net. We're good to go. Woohoo! Legs? No, I was gonna say leg skinner.
Oh no!
I was about to say it. All right, guys, fish two.
Oh, careful.
Fish two. I don't want to mess up that rod. I'd rather pick that up and say that's my $400 rod.
You want to set it over there?
Yeah. There's it right here. All right. Good fish. Yeah, it seems like a nice fish. No, get off this mess. All right, here it is again. Yep, little lake producing big trout.
BA.
He's just stocking a couple days ago, and check this out.
First time here.
Nice, nice, looking
yeah.
good, man.
Appreciate
All right, this is Little Lake, man. Call him from Hemet.
Oh, it's lightning. That's the one.
There it is. There it is,
That's
guys.
what we're looking at, bro.
He's bringing it in. He's bringing the lightning. Look at that. That holdover lightning that's been here for years. Look at that. He's bringing it in, folks.
No, it's this one. It's this one connected.
Look at,
The lightning got it. Everybody fucked up.
look at this. Look at this. See,
Get it.
that's a true angler. Look at that bend, man. Look at that bend.
This one right here?
Do you show color or what?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's a big boy. He's a tank, bro.
Look at that.
Where'd you get him
I
on?
could barely roll him.
Power bait or what?
Hit it.
I got him on, yeah,
The corn.
yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. He's trying to roll.
Crazy.
Dude, he's trying to roll.
Is that a hook shot?
I think it's a buck. Big buck.
He's a male, huh?
That's the one I literally just saw cruise by, bro.
I don't know, but I threw that almost by that water pop.
Oh, really?
Hey, you want me to get in the water?
One.
That's
Let me see that net. Let me see that net.
There's oxygen.
Okay, I got the net.
Let me see it. See.
Nice.
Oh yeah, get
Good Lord.
pretty fish.
Oh no, look at this baby.
Badass hook jaw right here.
Look at this guy.
Oh man.
Look at this. Bring him in, bro. Bring him in. He's pausing. Bring him in. He's pausing. Bring
You
him.
remember him? He got stuck at the dirt last time.
Whoop, 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 whoop. He ain't going nowhere. Dude.
No, that's that 10-pounder.
Dude.
Oh, that's a
Dude, there's his PB right there, baby. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Damn.
Look at that.
Hold it up like that.
Look at this.
There you go. Oh.
Bring it up. Oh, he's shaky. Bring that puppy up here. Look at that. Look.
Lightning trout. First one
Look
for
at
me.
that, guys. Just pop it.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah,
I'll
just
find
pop
the end
it.
of it.
Yeah, there you go. Bring it up. Oh, you're gonna wash it?
Yeah, I'm gonna rinse
Yeah,
it.
just rinse it, dude. Take your time. Don't let go.
It's a nail too.
Yeah, it's a nail.
So epic.
Don't you dare let go of that puppy.
Killing me.
Put on the stringer first.
No.
Stringers in there right there.
No. He wants to wash it. Just wrap your finger around it. His mouth.
Dude, that's like a salmon,
Look at this. Look at this guy.
Yeah, it looks like a straight salmon.
Look at
bro.
this guy. Look at this guy. Jeez.
Yeah.
Bring it out. Out. There he does. Look at that. Oh, you're gonna love that shot, bro. You're gonna love that shot.
Let
Man,
me get that. Let me get the photo of you with it.
beautiful.
There you go. You have a scale?
Don't.
Butter?
Like butter.
Butter?
Oh, watch yourself. Boom shakalaka. That's all
Huh.
you, baby. Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Baptize the rod, bro. Thank you, sir.
Is that awesome?
Yes, sir. It was so good, man.
Is that what you're gonna get
Like
next?
butter. It's like a Ferrari.
Is that
of
what
rod,
you're gonna
you
get
know?
next?
I need to get this. Like,
What is it?
like, it's a Mirage, Phoenix Mirage.
Look at that.
Get it. Yes, sir.
That's awesome, bro.
Yo, that's so cool, man. Nice little bow action.
Yeah. I met a couple guys over there. I just want to give a shout out to Jerry. Jerry, thank you so much for that fish that you gave me. Aaron, or his name's Ernie, I'm so sorry. Ernie, thank you very much for sharing and hosting the Little Lake. Appreciate that. Brian, it was a pleasure meeting you. He's the one that caught my very first fish off my Phoenix rod, which is okay. I don't mind. He broke it in, which is good. And also George, you're awesome. Man, you caught that lightning trout. That was awesome to see. I appreciate that. I love the footage. That made my video.